Okay, so we have a transparent background. Actually, we don't have a transparent background, but we would like to make this background transparent. So what you're gonna have to do first, I'm just gonna add some text. So it just like looks better, and something like this. Now I have the text and I want to make this background transparent. So what I have to do here is to go to, if I select the background, all right, so I have the background selected, and then I'll unlock this. And now here, if I just check this background, if you have some text, the transparency will disappear. Now that will also apply if you just remove the background. We only have the text. Now another way, if we go to File, New, and then here when you create a new document, you can see here background content, and here from white I can set to transparent, and now I have another transparent one. But I can also go to white here, and maybe I'll change my mind, and you still have the option on this document to change from here the field from white to transparent. You just need to have this canvas, and you can find this here. You can find properties, make sure you have properties, and then you just need to click on canvas. But if you don't have this option, as I said, when you create a new layer, just select from here transparent and you click on create. So that can be very helpful. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.